Talk about completing the square. You are technically dealing with a square that it was broken and we're trying to complete it. So let's have a look. This is an expanded quadratic, so x plus 4 squared would give me x squared plus 8x plus 16. Now, let's think about it. If I had x2 plus 8x minus 3, and someone asked me to complete the square, all I have to do is creating this number. So I'm going to write it as x2 plus 8x plus 16 minus 16 minus 3. Now, well, you're probably asking, why am I doing plus 16 and minus 16? That's because then I haven't changed anything. 16 minus 16 is 0, so I didn't change anything. Now, if you think about this part being x plus 4 squared, then that is just minus 19. This is the reasoning behind what is happening. So what we're going to do, we're going to make up an idea of how to do this on a more structured operational way. So let's have a look at the same question again. X squared plus 8x minus 3. So if you notice, I've got the x down, the plus is the same. I'm halving that number, squared, minus the square of this value, whatever that is. Always minus, because that's always going to be minus here. So 16 and then minus 3, which gives us x plus 4 squared minus 19. Okay, sometime you'll have a coefficient, a value in front of it. So let's have a look. I've got 3x squared plus 6x minus 7. I want to do this one. Exact same process, just that 3 is annoying, so let's take it out. x2 plus 2x minus 7 over 3. And continue as before, so 3. Bring the x down, half this, so plus 1 squared minus the square of that, which is 1 minus 7 over 3. And boom, you're done, because you have 3 bracket x plus 1 squared minus 10 over 3. Now for people who are interested, I can find a vertex from here. Vertex or turning point. Turning point. Or maximum or minimum, same thing. Max slash min. Okay, so this bracket would be 0 if x was equal to minus 1. And if x equals to minus 1, I'm going to have 3 times 0 times minus 10 over 3. So that would be my y value. So that's minus 10. So my turning point is minus 1 and minus 10. That function must equal to y then. There we go. Let's do one more example of this. Say I had minus 5x squared. Let's make it really hard. Plus 2x minus 1 equals to y. So I'm going to take the minus 5 out, which is x squared minus 2 over 5x minus 1 over 5. Same thing, keep the minus 5. Half the middle number, half of that is just that, minus the square of this value, square, is 1 over 25 minus 1 over 5. If you continue with that, you have minus 5, x minus 1 over 5 squared, and that gives you minus 6 over 25. Expand it out if you want. Minus 6 over 5. Plus, sorry. Now don't forget that's equal to y, y, y. And if I wanted my vertex, it would be x equals to 1 over 5, because that's 1 over 5 here. And y equals to my plus 6 over 5. So that's completing the square.